So I think when we look at studio structure questions, some of the questions are how are studios structured, what structures are working, what structures are not working, how do we avoid confusing investors, and how can studios work together to standardize our structure as we present to investors, and what are the most sustainable structures for studios. So I think these are some of the high level questions that in this session we'd like to explore together. And I think one thing that I discovered very early on as we were starting this journey was I came from a founder background. So I had built a number of different software companies, and I had some kind of understanding of the venture capital world in terms of venture capital investment in a company. But I did not really understand how venture capital funds were structured or set up. And as I got into this, I quickly realized that a venture studio is a hybrid of a founder and venture capitalist in some sense, if you want to think of it that way, right? You have a pool of capital from investors to invest in or create new companies. So there's this unique kind of hybrid between being a founder, being a CEO of a company, as you're kind of creating these companies, and also being a fund manager. And so I realized that I have no idea how to be a fund manager. I don't know anything about funds. And so one of the things I would, especially those of you that are coming from a founder background, I think it's good to come from that background. But I think you need to realize that you're now in a fund management business, and that's a unique thing. Whether you have a simple corporate structure, you're going to be raising capital from investors, and you're going to need to learn a lot about that.